In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Notion Calendar. To get started, open your Notion homepage and locate your calendar on the left-hand side of your account. Click on it to open. Once your calendar is displayed, you should see an option to invite a friend or teammate. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Go to the top right corner of your Notion calendar and click on Show Context Panel. This will display additional options, making it easier to access the features you need. Another helpful tip is to use the shortcut, Control-K. When you press it, a search bar will appear. Type Invite to Notion Calendar, and it will take you directly to the invite option without having to scroll through menus. Once you click on Invite Friend or Teammate, a window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure the email address is correct to ensure that the invitation reaches the right person. After entering the email, click anywhere on the calendar. Notion will then send an invitation to that email address, granting the recipient access to your calendar. That's all there is to it. It's quick, simple, and effective for sharing your schedule with others. Sharing your Notion calendar is ideal for collaborating with friends, teammates, or anyone you need to coordinate with. It helps everyone stay on the same page, allowing them to view or even edit events if you grant them the necessary permissions. Remember, the person you invite will need a Notion account to accept the invitation, so make sure they're signed up beforehand. This step ensures they can access the calendar without any issues. And that's it. Your Notion calendar is now successfully shared, and the invited person can access it directly from their own Notion account. This method makes scheduling and planning far more efficient, keeping all events and tasks organized in one convenient place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.